You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. Indian actor and film producer, if you want to learn more music and movie celebrity names, make sure to stay tuned, including from India. Saif Ali Khan. How to pronounce Saif Ali Khan. Saif Ali Khan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.